or shine, Jesus is always a friend of mine. Oh, hi friends, I'm Jayla, and this is my sister, Josie.
Hello.
Today, we're so excited because it's going to
Rain.
We just love it when it rains. Rain is so much fun.
We love to dance in the rain.
We also love to sing in the rain. Rain or shine, Jesus is always a friend of mine. We even like to play games inside when it rains.
And don't forget how much fun it is to jump in rain puddles.
We're just so excited for the rain.
Hoo! Hoo!
It's Ollie!
Hello, Jayla and Josie. Hoo! Hoo! Excited for the rain, are you?
Hi, Ollie.
We're so excited for the rain.
Rain makes you feel excited. It's true. I know someone who was excited too. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo! Hoo!
Follow me through, Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Hola, friends! I'm Luis the Handyman. I am so excited to see you today. Today is one of those I'm having a really good day kind of days. I'm just having a good time fixing this umbrella while thinking about my good friend Jesus. Did you know that Jesus is always a good friend? It's true, and it's what our story is about today. Do you want to help me build it? Great! Hammers up, little builders. Ready? Uno, dos, tres, hammer. Great job, little helpers. You can put your hammers down. Now we just need our story tools. Yep, we have everything we need. Today's true story from the Bible begins with Jesus and his friends, the disciples. One day, they were walking down a road. Let's stand up and walk in place with them. Ready? We're walking, we're walking, we're walking. Ooh. Great job. You can sit down now. Now, as Jesus and his disciples were walking into a village, they heard some men shouting. When Jesus looked, he saw 10 men, and they were very sick. Raise your hand if you've ever been sick before. Oh, yeah, me too. Oh, being sick is not fun. Well, these 10 men were a kind of sick that made them have boo-boos on their skin. Boo-boos that only Jesus could make go away. The other people in the village did not want to get boo-boos on their skin. So the men had to live far away from all the other people, even away from their families and friends. Oh, it was very sad. That's why when the men saw Jesus, they started shouting and asking Jesus for help. Jesus! Jesus over here! Can you please help us? Please! When Jesus heard the men, he told them to go and let the priests look at their skin. Oh, the men quickly did what Jesus told them to do. But while the men were on their way to see the priest, one of them looked at his skin and saw that all his boo-boos were already gone. Everyone say, wow! Ready? Wow! Wow! The 10 men were all better. They were so excited. One man was so excited, he quickly walked back to Jesus. The whole way back to Jesus, the man was so excited that he was praising God with a loud voice. Ooh, let me see your excited face. Yes. The man was so excited, he continued praising God loudly for everyone to hear. Can you shout, "Yay, God"? Ready? Yay, God! When the man got to Jesus, he bowed down at Jesus' feet and said, "Thank you, Jesus." Can you say, "Thank you, Jesus"? Ready? Thank you, Jesus. Good. Now, what do you think Jesus did when he heard the man shouting and praising God because he was so excited? Jesus waited for him and talked with him. Jesus was a good friend to the man when he was excited because Jesus is always a good friend. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who is always a good friend?
Jesus is always a good friend. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who is always a good friend?
Jesus is always a good friend. That's the truth, friends. Adios.
So there's your story, and it's all true. Jesus is always a good friend. For me and you too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo! Hoo!
Wow, Jesus was a good friend to the 10 sick men.
And one of the men was so excited, he came back praising God and thanking Jesus.
I think we got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. Hey, since Jesus is always a good friend, maybe we could sing songs about Jesus when we get to sing in the rain.
Yeah, good idea.
See you next time. Rain or shine, Jesus is always a friend of mine.
If I look up or I look down, oh, I know Jesus, your love is all around. Wherever I go, I know that you're always with me. Rain or shine by my side, so I will dance and I will sing. I know that your love will never change. Jesus, you're my friend forever. You're my friend forever. You care for me in the clouds or sunny weather. You're my friend forever. You'll always be a friend to me. You said you wanna be my friend. You stay with me. If we play games or play pretend, I can see, I know that you're always with me. Rain or shine by my side, so I will dance and I will sing. I know that your love will never change. Jesus, you're my friend forever. You're my friend forever. You care for me in the clouds or sunny weather. You're my friend forever. You'll always be a friend to me. Oh, oh, Jesus, you're my friend forever. You're my friend forever. Oh, oh, Jesus, you're my friend forever. You're my friend forever. In the sun or in the rain, Jesus' love is still the same. In the sun or in the rain, Jesus' love is still the same. Jesus, you're my friend forever. You're my friend forever. You care for me in the clouds or sunny weather. You're my friend forever. You'll always be a friend to me. Oh, oh, Jesus, you're my friend forever.